안녕하세요, 여러분. 케이트 선생님입니다. 오늘은 countable and uncountable noun에 대해 배워볼게요. 자, 준비됐죠? Hello, class. Today, we are going to be talking about countable and uncountable nouns. And since we all love food so much, we are going to be learning about countable and uncountable nouns using food vocabulary. So let's begin. First, we need to know what countable and uncountable nouns are. Countable nouns can be counted. 1 apple, 2 apples, 100 apples. This means they also have singular and plural forms. Apple, apples, and can use articles. An apple, the apple. Uncountable nouns cannot be counted. Here we have an uncountable noun, applesauce. So again, countable nouns use numbers to tell how many of the countable nouns there are, and articles a, an, and the go with singular countable nouns. For example, 2 oranges, 3 eggs, the sandwich, a pear. And again, uncountable nouns cannot be counted, but they can use the article the to talk about a specific uncountable thing. For example, tea, the tea, rice, the rice, bread, the bread, and milk, the milk. So, let's test ourselves. Are these foods countable or uncountable? Let's start with 유자. Countable or uncountable? Right, 유자 is countable. What about 유자 tea? Great, 유자 tea is uncountable. What about salt? Good, salt is uncountable. And onion? Awesome, onions are countable. Now, I want everyone to pause this lesson and take a look at this list of countable and uncountable nouns. Please write them down in your grammar notebook and then watch the rest of this lesson. Next, we are going to talk about quantifiers. Quantifiers tell us the amount of something we have, want, or need. There are countable noun quantifiers and uncountable noun quantifiers. First, we have many cookies, much pasta. And as a note, with uncountable food nouns, we usually use much only in the negative form, so not much pasta. A few cookies, a little pasta, several cookies, a bit of pasta, and if we're choosing between 2 countable nouns, neither of the cookies. Some quantifiers can be used for both countable and uncountable nouns. So, all of the cookies, all of the pasta, a lot of cookies, a lot of pasta, plenty cookies, plenty pasta, some cookies, some pasta, and none of the cookies. none of the pasta. So let's test ourselves. Is it the countable or uncountable nouns which match each quantifier? So, many sushi, many hamburgers, which one? Good, it's many hamburgers. The quantifier many matches the countable noun hamburgers. What about a little? A little potatoes? Coffee? Nice, a little coffee. The quantifier a little matches the uncountable noun coffee. And not much? Not much honey? Tomatoes? Awesome, not much honey. The quantifier not much matches the uncountable noun honey. And finally, can we make uncountable nouns countable? Yes, we can. How? Well, you add an article plus a container, or you make the container plural. These containers are things you put your uncountable noun into to make them countable. For example, piece or pieces of, cheese, bread, fish, cup, plate, or bowls of, rice, coffee, soup, bottles of, milk, water, soda, pinch of, salt, sugar, pepper, and slice or slices of, cheese, cake, pie. So, let's test ourselves. Can you make sentences using the amount plus a container plus an uncountable noun? So, 6 blank of juice. Which container goes in there? Great, 6 bottles of juice. What about a blank of stew? Nice, a bowl of stew. 2 blank of cheese. Great, 2 slices of cheese. And 2 blank of coffee. Awesome, 2 cups of coffee. Great job, everyone.